glass, watched the northern lights flash, took a photograph on a Paris street. Have you ever climbed a tall tree? Because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're lying in bed. It's slowly gonna be the death of you. Have you ever really lived? You talk a big game, but it's just a matter of time. Have you ever really lived? We're all on the clock here. In the blink of an eye, you were gone. So for once in your life, try the deeper water, feel the pull of whatever is out there, and ask yourself this once: have you ever really lived? Have you ever used your hands to build something from scratch that wasn't even for you? When you hear the waves are crashing over Nazareth, don't you wanna see them? And I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Are you ready, dear? Oh, we must be sure there's no turning back.
Foliage surrounding the space does make up a headdress. This is known as Black Hawk's profile. Black Hawk was a Native American war hero here in the Dells and was the leader of the Fox and Sauk tribes. Coming up on our front right-hand side, past the slow no-wake buoy in the water, in just a moment you're going to see an alcove that splits into the rock. This is known as Chapel Gorge. Chapel Gorge was known for its pulpit-like rock structure, and the canopy of trees overhead looked like a church ceiling. Many people often thought this was a great spot to get married, directly to our right-hand side. We're also entering the most dangerous part of the river. This is known as Lover's Lane. Yes, Lover's Lane. A little bit calmer waters and cooler air. It's very romantic. So, here aboard the Red Cloud, we have a special tradition. If you have that special one on board with you today, pull them in close. You can look deep into their eyes. Give them a nice, crisp, I won't look, $20 bill. Yes, $20 bill. Love is very expensive these days. This is also a great opportunity if you have a kid on board to embarrass your children, or if you got lucky sitting next to a pretty cute stranger, give them a little high five.
for me.
Oh my goodness. Good boy.
Our trainer Mary is up there with the dog as well. So.
A color crayon. We were running through the fields, you had flowers in your hand. We were all chasing phantoms. Baby, you would hold them still and I'd grab on. Yeah, well, if you're scared of the dark, let the rundown street lights be your stars. And then pictures.
Hey everyone, just wanted to prepare you for Balancedrock Trail. It's a little steep, lots of rocks, so make sure you wear good footwear. And this is what it looks like.
It's no use living if you're already dead. It's not worth saying if it's already said. Even if it all goes over your head, believe it if you want to. So keep your eyes on the road and your head in the stars. Follow it down the rabbit hole just a little while longer. You can change anything if you want to. Sing it like ooh. If you want to, sing it like ooh, if you want to. The next time I turn around, you'll have grown into a woman in a single bound. I hope I never take you for granted. Spending time with you is all that I wanted. But I'll go back to when you were small, burning all our favorite records on the CD-ROM. We were splitting headphones in a hammock to a soundtrack we could get lost in. Sing it with me, sing it with me, and we'll go howling at the moon. It's no use living if you're already dead. It's not worth saying if it's already said. Even if it all goes over your head, believe it if you want to.
So we're headed over to the Devil's Doorway. A lot of steps coming up here, but this is the trail going over to Devil's Doorway, so it's not bad. Paved, which I'd like to know how they got this up here. But a lot of steps coming up here, but it wasn't too bad. So we'll see you at Devil's Doorway next. finished the Devil's Doorway and Balanced Rock. Make sure you stay on the paths. It's easy, we found, if you watch for concrete in the rocks. Somebody, that the trail they made up here, they have concrete down in between rocks. If you watch for the concrete, that'll keep you on the trails. The signs are okay, but not the greatest. But make sure you come with a friend. Downloaded Google Maps for the trail, and it was fairly off. So
It said it would take 7 minutes. It took 7 minutes to get not even
half the way.
of the way to the first stop. So
just remember, when you're doing the trail, there's going to be a lot of climbing. If you park down in the south lot, there will be a lot of climbing up, but it is the shortest. So just keep that in mind. Bring lots of water and good footwear, and you should be fine. But it's not easy.
granny poles.
It's not moderate. It's probably closer to difficult. But we did it, so if we did it, you can do it. All right.
True facts.
We'll see everyone down the mountain. Hopefully.
Anything if you want to. Sing it like ooh. If you want to. Sing it like ooh. If you want to. The next time I turn around, you'll have grown into a woman in a single bound. I hope I never take you for granted.